In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check call history on iPhone after deleted. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up the phone app and tap on Recents down at the very bottom, or the little calls tab now is what they call it now. And you're going to see all of your recents right here. If you deleted a call from this list, it won't show here anymore. So just keep that in mind. But one option is to check another Apple device. What you could do is go ahead and back out and you need to open up your settings. Go specifically to phone. So just search for phone down at the very bottom. And then open up that phone app just like so. If you have multiple devices connected to the same phone number, you're going to see this SMS call reporting tab right here. Open that up just like so, and if there's anything else in here, you'll be able to see that call list as well. Now, this is just a one-time kind of situation. This is not like the full fix. The second option that the majority of you are going to want to do is actually open up a browser and sign into your carrier's website like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, or your provider. Look for call logs, usage details, or talk history, and your carrier may show incoming and outgoing calls, even if they were deleted from your phone. That's the full process though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.